Hello everybody, today we have a cordless vacuum cleaner which is produced by the brand Pavlit. Here you can see the name of the brand. And now we're going to unbox it and we're going to see all the parts and all the accessories which you can find in this box. Okay, so as you said, now we are going to unbox this box and we're going to see what can we find inside. First of all, you can see here the instruction manual, which is available in different languages. You have translations in English, French, German, Spanish, Portuguese, and Italian. So in case that you don't know how to use it, you can just read it, and it's quite simple and understandable. Then we're going to take out all the parts, which are accessories, which we have here inside. Okay, I'm going to start first with the metal box, with the metal tube. Together with this metal tube, you will attach later a head, and actually you can see there are 4 different heads, which I'm going to show you now. For example, we have the first head. This head is ideal for cleaning your car, removing the dust from your car inside. And you can put it here, okay? Then if you need to clean the floor in your living room or your bedroom, I suggest you to use this head because it's more wider and it's actually more effective, let's say. Okay, one more thing, this head, you can see it's flexible. So if you have to clean even the space under your bed, it's also a thing that you should consider. One more thing. This head is quite useful if you need to clean the surface over your bed. You can put it here. Then we have last one, which is this one. And this one is convenient to use even under the furniture or in areas which you can hardly reach. Okay? Okay, we come to the most important parts, which is the power engine, which you can hold in your hand and you can turn it off with this button. Of course, you can charge it with a power plug that I'm going to show you later. There is one more thing, and that's the dust tank. Let me show you. Okay, so as you can see, this dust tank and the power engine, they're actually together. You can attach it together like this. Okay. Here all the dust collects, and at this point you attach the metal tube, which is this one. Okay. Then we have one more thing. As I said before, you have the power plug, the power adapter, and last but not the least, this part is, I would say, useful in case that you want to hang the vacuum cleaner on the floor, on the wall, or on the floor. And how you can use it? You can see here on the back there are 4 circles. Here you will attach these stickers, okay? And in this way you can basically attach it to the wall or attach it on the floor. And yeah, I mean, it's very convenient if you need to save somewhere the vacuum cleaner. You don't have to worry about it. You don't have to save it in your box. You can just use this one. And basically that's it. Now we're gonna try. We're gonna see how does it work. And so let's go to the next step. Okay, so since we are gonna test the product now, we don't need the box anymore, so I can put it on the side. I'm going to start with the most important thing, which is actually the power engine. Okay, the power engine, you can actually charge it with this power plug, and you can attach it here on the back. Okay. Then I will attach together the power engine with the dust tank. So how do I attach these two parts? I attach from the bottom. Let me just see how does it work. Okay, now it's fine. Next step, I need to attach the metal tube together with the main part, together with the dust tank. Okay, just let me see how does it work. Okay, from this side. Yeah, that's it. One more thing, we have the head. So as I said, here we have 4 different heads. I'm gonna choose the maybe most important one, this one. Okay, and that's basically it. Okay, how to turn it on? I have this button here, you can see. Okay, where is this? Okay, and I'm gonna turn it on. Okay, so I'm gonna repeat that. If you press 1, it's on normal speed. If you press one more time, it's on fast speed. And if you want to turn it off, you just press one more time. And this is how you turn it off. And that's basically the most important procedure that you should know if you want to use this vacuum cleaner. Now we can try to see how does it work. Before I turn it on, you can notice on this part there's going to be a light which will show you if there is any dust in front of the vacuum cleaner. Okay, so how do I turn it on? I just press one more time. And now it works. And I clean the area under the furniture. Okay. While I'm cleaning, you can notice the flexible head. Thanks to this flexible head, it's super easy to clean. One more advantage of this vacuum cleaner is it's super easy to carry and it's not that heavy. I would say it has maybe less than 2 kilos. So if you want to carry it in any other place, you can just carry it with one hand. Okay.